out from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet.
We just got off the boat and we're at
Polynesian.
We're at the Polynesian and we are gonna go grab some lunch. Are you excited?
Yeah, we're gonna, well, just try some different stuff.
Yeah.
Have fun and relax.
Yes, relax.
Smells good.
What did we get?
It's called Pan Asian noodles with just vegetables. So.
Yum, 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 yum. They're actually really good. Like, and we're sharing it because we're gonna eat like lots of different things around the monorail, but I mean, it's a lot of food. So
It's a good amount.
I like the water chestnuts in it.
It's got a lot of different veggies.
Yum.
You can get it with tofu, shrimp, or chicken.
Yeah.
If you want.
Yum, yum, yum. Okay, so we walked upstairs in the Polynesian to the Kona Cafe area and we got a cupcake, Moana cupcake. I'm so excited to eat it because it's vanilla and coconut, which, I mean, coconut anything is my favorite. But we also ordered the kid sushi from mobile pickup because we thought it was really cheap. It was $10 and we got, oh my gosh, it's so heavy. So we got the kids sushi, an order of french fries, we got a fruit cup, and we got a bottle of water for $10. Plus I got my cupcake because I just couldn't say no.
It's a little bottle of Tabasco. You get it.
Oh my gosh.
I see here our fries.
Our french fries. Fruit cup, fresh fruit.
Yeah, pineapple, watermelon, and cantaloupe, and maybe some honeydew. All right, you were right. It really was like the picture.
That is the cutest sushi I've ever seen in my life.
Can I just say, there are 3 Tabasco bottles, which is a little weird that that comes in a kid's.
First bite. She's getting a little grass in there.
Alright, that part just tasted like a cupcake.
She's got to
Where's
dig in
this
there.
coconut?
Did you find the coconutty center?
It's very good. It's not very coconutty. Jeremy says that my my coconut taste buds are dulled because I eat so many coconut flavored things.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you.
To be quite honest with you.
So fancy.
But if anything, it's the Grand Floridian, so you should be extra southern.
Oh, like molasses.
Molasses just sort of spilling out of your mouth.
We're really bummed because the Enchanted Rose is actually closed, so I think we're gonna hop on the monorail and go somewhere else, but I did get some soap from Basin White, so really excited about that.
So we are at the Fort Wilderness Lodge, not the campground, the lodge. We're just gonna explore, check it out, maybe go over to their bar and get a snack or a drink.
Yay!
Grand Floridian was a little bit of a bust, but
Yeah.
we're just going with the flow, lazy day. So
This already feels more like our vibe than Grand Floridian though, so.
yeah, excuse the full party in the background.
Yeah, they are pumping it back there. We are sitting by the fire, even though it's hot outside. It's nice, and nobody's even around us. It's just so relaxing. I think my impression of Wilderness Lodge is I like it. So I got the something Mai Tai, but it looks really good. It has a fresh pineapple slice, the huckleberry punch, and what's yours? What is that? A lemon?
A lemon.
Is it good? I stirred, so let's try again. Okay, ready? We had a ton of fun at Geyser Point. We're watching the geyser right in front of us, and we had a drink, and now we're headed to Disney Springs.
Get some food and probably some ears. Let's just face it.
I need more ears. I have to. Hello, and welcome to an empty Disney Springs. Cute hub right there. We're gonna go eat some Blaze Pizza.
First day of spring, and I just wanna sing to everything that's moving, every single little thing.
Good morning. We are up really early before 7 to try to catch the first bus over to Animal Kingdom. We're so excited for our first park day. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. They're so pretty.
First day of spring, and I just wanna sing to everything that's moving, every single little thing. To them birds flying free, fish in the sea, flowers and trees, every little bumblebee. I wanna sing.
Have always wanted to try one of these. Today is the day. Okay, how long was the wait?
I said 25. Now I didn't start timing until we got to a full stop, but that's because literally we just walked until we stopped. So
Let's see how long it takes. We've only been on Navi River one time, so I'm really excited. All right, it took 18 minutes.
To the kids playing hoops, going loop-de-loop, their rainbow-colored bouncy balls and their ice cream scoops.
So we just rode Everest. I screamed the whole time and shut my eyes, and you went back for round 2.
yeah.
It was just a walk-on. We walked right through.
Yeah, we walked right through the queue, said 5 minutes, but you just didn't stop. And then I went on the single rider line, which was like instant. I think there was like 3 people in front of me, and they took me right on. So
Yeah.
definitely gonna ride it more later.
I'll
Takes
ride it.
slow.
We'll ride it one more time later.
Let's see.
I got 20 ducklings in a row like a little marching band, and they sing.
name is Sue.
Her name is Sue.
Hello, Sue.
We're coming to get you. We'll save you.
We're eating Satuni Canteen for lunch. So excited. We've been like super excited for this, and I got the tofu bowl with noodles and creamy herb sauce, and Jeremy did too. We got 2 of those. So excited. All right, let's eat.
Look. Looks like those 2. Let me see if I can zoom in for you guys. He was like making noises at the other one next to him, like, what are you doing? Get out of my way. But now he's just chill. It's loud, but if you can hear me, this is Animal Kingdom's famous backside of water. Didn't know they had a version too, did you? Here appears to be a human being. I don't know. We'll call it a human being. In my opinion, the king of the jungle. The African elephant. And then the queen of my heart. The queen of hearts. Yep, just like the one in the movie. Oh, look, look!
And all the pods flying overhead.
What does the tiger say? There we go. So you can show them your kitty cat?
12-foot wingspan. But these birds play a huge role out there in the wild because of what they do, right, Morgan?
They're a scavenger, they eat carrion, they eat things that have died in the wild. But these marabou storks, that big long sharp beak, that's the...
Okay, we just watched the Up bird show and we loved it.
Yeah, we've never seen it. It was amazing.
It was so cool, and I actually didn't record that much of it, but it was like just so cool. So we'll definitely be doing that again. But we are gonna go ride Everest again, and we also rode the safari again already.
We did.
Which was really cool because we
did.
actually saw more animals, but I didn't record it. But we saw the baby giraffe and a baby hippo.
And a baby hippo. And then we did It's Tough to Be a Bug.
Yes. So we have done so many things. So we're gonna wrap up our day here, and then we're gonna head over to
Animal Kingdom Lodge.
for dinner. You'll have to wait and see where we go.
You have to wait and see.
It's a mystery.
Say we're gonna go Everest, maybe twice. Well, me maybe twice.
Once for me.
Me maybe twice. And we may try to get into Nami River again.
Yes.
Because the weights have been pretty
Really
low as
today.
of this afternoon.
Yeah.
So.
But we're having a really good day, and I'm really looking forward to going over to Animal Kingdom later. Watch.
To the couples in love and the seagulls above and any other living thing or creature.
We got our fresh pen.
Yes, we got a 15-year pin. 15 years with this guy, what? Are you excited to eat at Boma?
I am.
So we can be...
All right.
We got a little anniversary thing from our waitress, and then I'm getting all the desserts. I'm super excited to try all of these.
The sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Yo, well, it's my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go.
Good morning. So I actually woke up fairly early. I sat right here and looked at the sun rise, kind of. It's very cloudy out here, so it was kind of a very foggy sunrise. I've been listening to The Queen of Hearts by Colleen Oakes, and I've only listened to 2 chapters so far, but I'm really enjoying it. It was a really nice way to start the morning. So it's Epcot day, but we're gonna take the bus to Hollywood Studios, hop on the Skyliner, and go over to either Riviera or Caribbean Beach for some breakfast before we go to Epcot. So we're really excited. All right, let's go.
You said let's jump on the bus and take a ride downtown. Well, I don't know about that, but can you help me first to get these boxes down?
It smells so good in here. I wish there was smell-o-vision.
So we can clean the house or clear out some shelves. You said whichever you feel like doing first. I said, well, I don't know about that, 'cause it's my lazy.
Say hi to the vlog.
Try to seduce me, make me wanna play. I don't know about that.
Did you marry me when you were 12?
According to that guy.
We spent our morning having a super slow, quiet morning. We rode like pretty much all of the rides up front at Epcot. We rode Spaceship Earth, Nemo, Living with the Land, and Soarin'. And now we're gonna try to go see what the whole new like Creations Club Cool is like. Ooh, look, here's like look how cute it is. It's the first time we're seeing this. Here's Creations, we found it. So we're gonna go in here, and then Jeremy might ride Test Track. And then we're gonna go start Food and Wine. So, it's been a good day so far.
Just taking it slow.
Taking it slow. Which we needed to do, because we were really tired from yesterday.
The whole day now just to ourselves, so we can clean the house or clear out some shelves. You said whichever you feel like doing first. I said, well, I don't know about that, 'cause it's my lazy day, just wanna lazy away. Ain't gonna do a thing for the rest of the day. You can try to seduce me, make me wanna play. I don't know about that. I don't know about
I've never seen a tea towel I like more in all of my life. Are you kidding me? It's so pretty.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, it never smells bad, but it's bitter. I mean, it says it's bitter, it's just bitter.
I like this one. Alright, here, I'll try this one and then you can. Alright. I really like that.
That also tastes like medicine to me.
I like it.
It's a watermelon.
Watermelon. Okay, go ahead and get some watermelon.
Plum.
Plum.
Sour plum.
Sour plum from China. Okay.
Oh.
Was that worse than Beverly?
Yeah.
Oh no. Great, here we have Sprite. But is that a cucumber?
It says cucumber.
Cucumber Sprite? That sounds cool. Ooh, I like that. I really like the Russia Sprite with cucumber.
That's probably the best. So far, we got one more to try.
That's really good.
You go. Okay, so the last one is called Viva Raspberry.
We'll try it together.
You feel
Ready? Cheers! I think my favorite was country club.
Mine's with Sprite.
Okay, we just finished in Club Cool and it was really, really fun and really nice in there. So I was really excited to do that again, and I finally tried the Beverly. It was not good. But the China one that was sour was worse.
It was maybe one of the worst things I've ever put in my mouth.
It was terrible. But the Country Club from Dominican Republic was my favorite.
I really like the, we'll say Russian Sprite, because it said like cucumber Sprite. I didn't really get a ton of cucumber. It was just like a hint of cucumber.
I thought it was pretty cucumbery and I really liked it.
Like if you put cucumber in water and it like lightly flavors it, it's like that, but in Sprite. It was a good palate cleanser at the end for all the, especially the oh my god.
Yeah.
That was the worst.
All right, what are we getting first?
The baked lobster dip with the Old Bay chips.
Yeah.
Sounds really good. I love Old Bay chips.
Okay, here we go.
As I finish up the dip here with a spoon, Amber gave it a 4, is that right?
Yes.
I gave it a 3.5. I don't think it wowed me, but I think it was good. I needed some more Old Bay seasoning on the chips. I thought it was good. I'd get it again. I would.
Me too.
I'm not an expert blogger here.
Always go left to Mexico, but we are going willy-nilly today. What did you say?
I don't think I said willy-nilly, but why are we going right?
Because we want to try the cider flight.
And why are we doing it now?
Because we are hot.
That's right.
All right, here goes our cider flight. All right, cheers. I like it.
Is it cherry? Do you taste cherry?
It's not too cherry-ish.
No.
It's pretty good.
It's not bad. It's not like overly sweet. And there's a tartness at the end of it.
I like it.
So we are sitting in Restaurant Marrakesh, which we've never eaten at, and it's currently a relaxation station, I guess, is that what they call them sometimes? And there's like no one in here. It was just pouring down rain, which, if you have an umbrella, as we did each, we just kept walking, and it's like the seas parted, all the people like fled into everywhere. So
It was actually really relaxing.
it was. We got to Tangerine Cafe. We got the fried falafel pita, and it is just, well, I think each of us give it a 5. Oh, we might have to get another one later on if we're like really craving it. So 5 out of 5.
Let's call some friends over for a game of poker or so. Well, I don't know about that. Or should I turn on the TV or the radio? Well, I don't know about that. There's a whole list full of all the things we can do, but I wanna do none. Wish that you did too. So you can just keep trying and I'll just keep saying.
Perfect, thank you.
I don't know about that.
Grapefruit.
Oh wow.
Is it
You would
good?
like this.
Literally, that drink is a 5-star.
It's good.
It is so good.
It doesn't feel like you're drinking beer.
Grapefruit beer in Germany. Get it immediately.
First intergalactic pavilion is coming to Epcot, and it is out of this world. Let's go take a look.
'Cause it's my lazy day, just wanna lazy away. Ain't gonna do a thing for the rest of the day. You can try to seduce me, make me wanna play. I don't know about that. Goes round and round.
good morning from Riviera.
Good afternoon, rather.
Good afternoon.
Dang, my hair is all crazy.
We had a really slow morning. We enjoyed the pool. I did the lazy river. We had some pina coladas. I had strawberry in mine. It was really good. And then we came over to Riviera to have lunch. And let me just tell you, it was the best Disney quick service I have ever had. I loved it so much. And so like in general, we don't really eat meat. We kind of stick to vegetarian, vegan, very plant-based, but we have been allowing ourselves a little bit of a splurge while on vacation. And I had the grilled chicken sandwich at Primo Piatto. It was literally my favorite thing I've had on this whole trip, believe it or not. I loved it so much.
And I had the croque monsieur, which is like for those of you who don't know, Riviera is like supposed to be a French resort. So it's like a French like ham and cheese, but it was like this great bread that had like ham and cheese, and then they melt cheese on top of the top slice of bread too. It was really good.
It was so good. His was just as good as mine, but in a different way. Mine had like this spinach artichoke dip on it instead of like mayonnaise or something. It was just so good. So we're just gonna relax and wander around and kind of just ride the Skyliner today, and probably won't vlog that much, but I'll try to say hi as much as I can.
And I feel raindrops, so we'll see how it goes.
Oh no!
It's a day like this. It's a day I really would have missed. It's getting real dark in here. Feels like I've been here 1,000 years. You bring some light to me.
Took some pictures in my Jolly Co shirt in front of this beautiful mural. I'm so excited. It's beautiful. I'm just not wearing it today because I'm so hot, so I just want one layer on, but so pretty. I love these murals.
It's getting real dark in here. Feels like I've been here 1,000 years. Could you bring some light to me? Or just sit beside me and never leave?
So we are about to head home, or not really, but we have a few hours. We realized that we never really said bye and we never really chatted that much, but we had a really fun trip. And yeah, headed home today, definitely ready to see our babies. Hope you liked it.
It is.
And we already just can't wait to come back again with the kids because we missed them so much. Every time we saw kids with their families, we were like, oh, they would be having so much fun with us here. So it was really fun getting a little couples trip, but we can't wait for our next family one. So I guess we'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
I can't believe you love me, oh, oh, oh. I just feel so lucky, oh, oh, oh. Still can't believe you love me.